In this video, I'll show you how to create the smart discount pop-up on your Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to a new tab and then search for apps at shopify.com. Now on the search label, just head over and search in here for smart pop-up. Now on these recommendations, you should be able to see a lot of search results that actually match your search. So for example, you can use this smart pop right here, but it's only pop-up than email. You can also use this smart pop-up promotion pop-up. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here because it's totally free, as we can see. So let's click on it and then click on this install button right here, and then this will open a new tab and it will ask us for access in order to successfully integrate this application to Shopify. So what we can do is we can head over and click on the install button, and then once we have done that, it will install itself. Now this is what the dashboard looks like. So what we can do is we can click on this create pop-up, and then you can choose a smart pop-up that you want for this one. So for example, let's choose this product discount pop-up. Click on the select right here, and then you can input in here the pop-up title. So for example, for this sale, let's name it as such. Then you can also enter in here start time and end time. So I can also show this on mobile and make this priority. So let's click on this Who Sees promotional pop-up. It can be all customers or specific customer tags. So where the promotion pop-up shows, you can show this on all pages or on specific pages only. So you can also put in here when it will show, like for example, when customers open a page or when customers try to leave the page. So you can also put in here the promotion pop-up closes. You can also manually or automatically close this, as well as assign promotion pop-up. You can choose in here the color that you want to integrate. So for example, let's choose in here green. And as you can see, the green has been changed just like that. And you can also put in here the offer image that you want to change. And then you can put in here persistent duration as well as the product URL that you want. So just enter in here the URL you want to redirect them into, and you can also put in here a discount code. Like for example, let's put in here discount code for new 10. Just like this. You can also put in here a brand mark and click on this publish to your store. And then once you have done that, as you can see, promotion pop-up has been complete. So what you can do is, as you can see, it's been enabled and you can edit it out however you want. Now let's head over in here on our store. And now let's click on customize right here. And then once we have opened that, it will open the Shopify editor. Now head over on this third icon right here, which is the app embeds. Now make sure to enable smart pop-up. After that, save your progress. And then once you have saved that, let's head back again. And then let's see a preview of our store right here. So let's see a preview. And now on this right here, let's try to exit this and then open in here by using this eye icon. And as you can see, this will be the preview of our store. And as you can see, this will be the pop-up. So just click on this right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, just simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.